Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, as you can tell as per the title of the video, I'm doing a Barbie makeup look using an oldie but a goodie palette. This is the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. And it just like, come on, it's all pink. It fits the vibe. I hope you guys like my outfit. I actually got this from Shein. I think it was like $12 or $13. It's a one-piece set. It looks really, really cute. Definitely worth the purchase. So now real quickly, disclaimer, my videos are always gonna have background noise. It is what it is. AC's on, the kids are home. I'm gonna run through real quickly what I have on my face before I start the eye look and finish off this, this face right here. Put everything in this bag so I can stay organized. So for highlighter, I have on this Tinkerbell highlighter in the shade Happy Thoughts. So that's what I have on as my highlight. Very, very pretty, if I do say so myself. To set my concealer, the Bare Minerals Translucent Mineral Veil. For concealer, I'm wearing the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 11 Light Medium. To set my overall face, I have the Kosas Feathery Cloud Setting Powder in the shade Feathery, which looks like these. For foundation, I'm wearing the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Natural Beige. Oh, for primer, I actually got this in a past BoxyCharm a while back, and I feel like it did a really good job, at least with the combo I have on. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer in Rhode Isle, whatever. In which case, that's what I have as a primer. For my bronzer, I have on this LYS cream bronzer stick in the shade Harmony. To go over top of that cream bronzer, I have on the LYS powder bronzer in the same shade Harmony. For blush, I have on the Patrick Ta blush in the shade, I'm wearing the pinky shade right here, this duo right here, which is the shades She's a Doll. And to set my face, I have on this Spectrum Glowful Hydrating Illuminating Mist. So pretty. It definitely makes my face look nice and dewy and healthy, and it's a love. Okay, so moving on. I also have my lips lined with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. And let's jump into the palette. I haven't played with this palette in quite a bit. I must say, I'm excited. And how many of you guys seen the Barbie movie? I have. I actually went on a date with my husband. We saw the Barbie movie. They made Ken look like a simp. I'm not gonna give anything away. I'll let you guys see it. But yeah, I was a little kind of like, I kind of wish they made Ken a little more manly, but no, they turned him into a simp. It is what it is. I'm using this Morphe M518 fluffy brush, and I think the first color I'm going to go in with is, I guess, Tickle right here. Take that in the transition area. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Spanked, which is this top color right here. On a Luxie tapered blending brush. This is the Luxie 229. I'm going to take that kind of in the outer corner. Okay, I think I'm going to go in on the lid now, and I'm going to go in with the shade Fantasy, which is this color right there. I'm gonna kind of pat it into place and then, like, you know, rub it in. But I don't know if I'm gonna take it all over the whole lid. I might just do more toward this, like from here to here. So not like this area right here, but like here to here. Because I think we're gonna do something else on the outer corner. So this is the Luxie 211 brush. Now taking that same brush, I'm just gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Daydream, which is the shade right down here. I'm gonna take that like from the inner corner to like going in toward this first shade that I did. Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with that same brush we had, and on the darker shade that we used, so like right over here, just use that same side. If I can tell the difference. Okay, it's this side. And go in a little bit with this shade Kinky, which is, flip it over, this shade right here, on like this area right here. Okay, for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Tickle again, right here, which was the first shade. With a Luxie tapered blending brush, this is the 229. And just kind of sweep that along the lower lash line. More so concentrating the color out here. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try it. You see a lot of the Barbie dolls, she has like a white waterline. So I was thinking I can go in with the NYX Jumbo Stick and the shade, what shade are you? In the shade Milk. And just line my waterline with that. It definitely opens up the eye. Okay, I'm going to go with some mascara. And mascara and a lippy. The lippy I chose is from Fenty Beauty. It is the Gloss Bomb in the shade Pretty Please. So we're gonna go over that on top. Okay, so that is a completed look using the Huda Beauty Nude palette to create this Barbie look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Real quickly, again, I just went over my lashes with some superhero mascara and the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Pretty Please. And that's kind of how I finished off the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was, you know, kind of serving Barbie. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a fragrance video. So have a good one. Bye.